Gonna raise up a tall glass tonight as we look back on all the life that we lived through. Yeah, the things that we drink to, the roads that we choose, the friends that we make, the turns that we miss, and the hearts that we break. The words that we say, the ones that we don't, lines that we cross, and the ones that we won't. The tears that we cry, the dreams that we dream, the stars that burn out and the stars that we reach. The pictures we take, the stories they tell, and the moments we keep for ourselves. Gonna raise up a tall glass tonight as we look back on all the life that we lived through. Yeah, the things that we drink to, shed a little light on our memory. Kinda makes you feel like you're with me. I'm still a little lost here without you. Yeah, the things that we drink to, the hurt that we heal with the songs that we sing, the hope that we know tomorrow can bring. The battles we fight, the wars that we win, the pain that we've been through. Things that we drink to. Tonight as we look back on all the life that we lived through. Yeah, the things that we drink to. We can wonder where all the time goes, but it don't change a thing, no. All I'm trying to say is I miss you. Yeah, the things that we drink to. Things that we drink to. Yeah, the things that we drink to.